Guys, welcome back to another video of Hockey Card Mania, and in today's video I'm going to be opening up one Upper Deck 2006 pack, Series 2 hockey. My grandma got this for me. She got me 4 other ones, and a bunch of other Dollarama hockey packs. So, as I said, this will be a new series, and there's 9 in a pack for this, so it's pretty good. And yeah, so I'll see you when I get the pack open. Okay, so it's literally sticking. Okay, guys, so this is sticking. I think that's a good thing, right? Okay, guys, so this is Mike Modano. Oh, and my dad's also here.
Mike Modano. Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Was he good?
Yeah, he's a great player.
Oh, this is... Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the back for this one, just for the artwork. I'm not a big fan of the Dallas Stars, but this is so cool artwork. And there's also a chance of me playing a Mario Lemieux, my second favorite hockey player, and Sidney Crosby's rookie card, because this was his rookie year. This is Yuri Lettinen. Oh, it's stuck.
Ilya Brizgalov.
Oh, dude, this is sick.
Ilya Brizgalov.
Eric Nylestrom.
Maestrom.
Patrice Brisbane. Carlos Joseph. Georges Lacroix. Larock. And this is literally stuck. Oh, he's on the Edmonton Oilers. Whoa.
Oh, cool.
Is he? Oh, it's a Sidney Crosby.
Nice. Show the camera.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is a Sidney Crosby.
Cool. Take care of the corners.
Oh my gosh. A Sidney.
Is that your first Crosby?
My very first Sidney Crosby, guys. Okay. This is his rookie?
This is rookie year. It's called Diary of a Phenom. Sidney Crosby.
And then it says / Pittsburgh Penguins.
Yeah. So
oh my gosh, guys.
Card,
there it is. Oh my. Okay, guys, this is my very first Sidney Crosby. And we still have 1 card left to go. Oh.
That's a victory. That's interesting.
Huh. Corners are bent. I don't even care.
Thomas Vanek.
It's his rookie.
Yeah.
I'm going to put this guy in the sleeve.
Why not?
Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you the highlights of the pack. So, yeah. So the highlights of this pack were the Sidney Crosby, obviously. This rookie of Thomas Vanek and Mike Modano. So, yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you also like and subscribe Matthew Hockey Master 321. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And bye. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.